welcome to 42B Crocker Way. Have the single garage to the lift and then in through the front. Straight up on the left is the master bedroom, split system reverse cycle air conditioning, ensuite and the built-in wardrobe as well. Ensuite has the toilet and shower, vanity back out through and down to the right is the second bedroom. To the front again, built-in wardrobe, plenty of natural light, back out through, and then we've got the main bathroom, bath and shower in here, nice functional, back out through, and then the third bedroom here as well. And this one also has the built-in wardrobe too. And then back out through and to the main living area. Here's the living dining room with built-in gas bayonet. And then again, split system reverse cycle air conditioning. Kitchen to the left, nice open plan. Double sink, and then the oven and hot plates. There is also built-in pantry. Another one as well, so lots of storage. Then in through to the separate laundry and extra toilet as well. Outside, paved courtyard with covered pergola and the low maintenance AstroTurf as well, and then a separate storage room through here. Any questions, let us know. Thanks.